Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are solving MCQs of chapter number 2 BCK subject CA Foundation course. My name is CA Rahul Bajaj and let's start with the questions. So first MCQ is organizations depend upon which environment for input? Okay, technological environment, social economic environment, external environment, legal environment. So its answer is C, external environment, correct? Because external environment, because all are these are part of external environment. So question number 2, environment analysis help us in providing input for strategic decision making, yes. Turning threat into firm's advantage, yes. Anticipate the opportunities and take optimal responses, yes. So answer is all of the above. Number 3, trends related to happening of events in internal environment. Okay, this is not the answer. Okay, this is not trend, this is just a event. Group of similar or related activities. Yes, this is trend. Okay, demands made by interested group. This is expectation. And number D, none of the above. So group of similar or related activity. होता है ना, ट्रेंड मतलब क्या है, एक ही चीज को हम लोग देखते हैं कि ये बढ़ रहा है, कम हो रहा है, इसका ट्रेंड क्या है. Correct. So that is my trend. Now we are moving to question number 4. Question number 4 is which of the following exhibit characteristic of business environment? Business environment is static? No, absolutely not. Business environment is dynamic? Yes. Business environment is complex? Yes. And multifaceted? Yes. Short average? No. So answer is D. A threat is an unfavorable condition in organization environment, okay, unfavorable condition in environment which create risk or damage to the environment, correct. This is threat. Inherent limitation, that is weakness. An unfavorable condition in the organization which consolidates strength. No, an unfavorable condition cannot consolidate strength. Okay, so this is something just to confuse you. This is weakness, this is my threat is this. So answer is A. Now we are moving to question number 6, which occupies the central position in marketing environment. Option A, consumer. Option B, customer. Option C, organization. Option D, all of the above. So organization cannot be. So okay, so all of the above is also not an option. Customer or consumer? Customer or consumer? Customer who buys, consumer who consumes. So answer will be A. Question number 7. The price sensitivity of the market is an important factor of which element of microenvironment? Price sensitivity means increase in price will significantly fall in demand, or fall in price will improve significantly demand of the product. So it is not related to suppliers, correct. So market, yes. Intermediary, no. Customer, no. It is not customer specific, it is market specific. Okay, so answer is B. Now we are moving to question number 8. Dash with their own bargaining power affect the cost structure of the industry. Intermediary, suppliers, consumers, or government. So answer is supplier, correct. Why supplier? See, here it is given cost structure. Cost structure means from whom you are buying. Okay, if there are less suppliers or more suppliers, if we say there are less suppliers, then with their bargaining power, okay, so if there are less suppliers, they may increase price. They may, if there are many suppliers, they may reduce price. So supplier with their own bargaining power affect the cost structure of the industry. Which of the following is not factor of demographic environment? Okay, there were 4 factors that we have discussed. So let's go one by one. Option: ethnic mix, yes. Legal is legal, so it is not demographic factor, correct. So answer is B. Third, population size, true. Geographic distribution, yes. And fourth one is income distribution. Okay, income distribution. So these were the four factors of demographic environment. Now we are moving to question number 10. Business and technology are interrelated? Yes. Interdependent? Yes. Interrelated and interdependent? Then yes, none of the above. So answer will be interrelated and interdependent. Environment which is close to business and affect the capacity to work is known as close to business. So very close to business. Okay, close to business and capacity to work. Okay, so this is micro environment, correct? It is narrow in scope, very close to the, we have seen the definition of micro environment. Macro is broader term. Okay, internal no, external no, not at all. Okay, question number 12. Study of human population is called as dash dash environment. Political no, demographic yes, ग्लोबल नो, इकोनॉमिक नो. सो ये किसी को भी पूछेगा तो उसको जम जाएगा. दिस इज द वेरी सिंपल. डेमोग्राफिक. What is the single word that can best describe today's business? Technology, persistence, profit making, change. So answer is change. Change is the nature of life, correct? So business environment is dynamic, ever changing. Business itself keep on changing. We have question number 14. Question number 14. Competition is beneficial to the competing firms beside the benefiting intermediaries? No. Okay. Customer? Yes. Producer? No. Financiers? No. Competition will happen. If there is a competition, what will happen? There will be large number of suppliers. So they will improve their quality. They will give at good rate. Okay. Or the rate pricing will be also good. Attractive pricing will be there. So it is customer. Dash is the process by which organization monitor their relevant environment to identify opportunities and threats affecting their business for the purpose of taking strategic decisions. So we have studied it. It is simple. Scanning. Okay. Forecasting no. Assessment no. None of all these words are just to confuse you. The answer is scanning, and there are four part: event, trend, issues and expectations that we have studied in scanning. Okay, now question number 16. The following statement relates to strategic response approach to the environment. Okay, they seek to monitor the changes in environment, analyze the impact on their own goals and activities, and translate their assessment in form of specific strategies for survival, stability and strength. So we have seen there are three type of: least, proceed with caution and dynamic. Okay, static, this is not a category, this is just to confuse you. So answer for question number 16 is proceed with caution. Okay, least resistance, what they do nothing. Whatever is happening in the environment, they keep on moving with accommodating those changes. Proceed with caution, what they do, they check what is happening in environment, whether they have to change their strategies, goal, whatever their internal things, and they check if they do this thing, what will be impact on them if they do not do, or if they do another thing. So proceed with caution. Here what they have done, they seek to monitor changes in environment, analyze impact on their own goals. Okay, question number 17. Which of the following is not part of economic environment? Which of the following is not part of economic environment? Market trade cycle? Yes, it is economic. Okay. Consumer buying pattern? Doubtful. Strength of consumer spending? Strength of consumer spending is also economical. Interest and exchange rate? Yes. Still there is confusion in B and C. Consumer buying pattern. So buying pattern depends on social. Okay, social environment. Strength of consumer spending, that becomes economical. So answer is B. And now we are moving question number 18. Question number 18. What is the kind of response that, number 18, what is the kind of response that business should make effort to exploit the opportunity and thought of the threats? strategic response. Okay, what kind of response? Strategic response. Very simple. ये तो नहीं है, diversify नहीं है, simplify नहीं है. Okay, question number 19. Which of the following is not characteristic of least resistance strategy? Okay, simple and goal meeting. Yes. Passive. Yes. It is characteristic. Dynamic. No. Okay, all of the above. Then no. So answer is C. Question number 19. Answer is C. Okay. Question number 20. Perceiving the needs of external environment and catering to them satisfy the expectation and demand of the clientele group is reciprocal agreement, interdependent process, management process. No, interaction. Correct answer is interaction, because see what is there, needs of external environment. Okay, catering to them, satisfying their expectation. Correct. So it is interaction. Correct. Process of strategy formulation start with appraisal of external and internal environment of the organization, performance analysis, choice of a strategy, and none of the above. So answer for question number 1 is no 21 is appraisal of external environment and internal environment of the organization. Question number 22. Response is not merely recognized as a word of threat but also convert threat into opportunities. So answer is dynamic. Okay. Aggressive नहीं रहता है. Word क्या है? Static. No at all. Passive. No at all. Because you have to be dynamic to convert your threats into opportunities. Question number 23. The business should continuously dash and dash to the environment if it is to service and prosper. The business should continuously identify, appraise, no, monitor and adapt, correct, identify and monitor, no, monitor and appraise, no. Yeah, adapt means adapting changes, monitoring means scanning the environment. Okay, so business should continuously monitor and adapt to the environment if it is to service and prosper through SWOT analysis. Okay, SWOT analysis. Strength and weakness existing within business organization can be matched with opportunities and threats in the organization. Okay, what is now this is very confusing question, very interesting. Strength and weakness existing within the environment. Okay, whether strength or weakness exist within the environment? No. एनवायरमेंट में क्या होता है? अपॉर्चुनिटीज और थ्रेट्स होते हैं, ये एक्सटर्नल. सो ये तो नहीं है. स्ट्रेंथ एंड वीकनेस एग्जिस्टिंग आउटसाइड द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. outside the no, strength and weakness are inside the organization. Strength and weakness existing outside the organization. Outside the organization, again wrong. Now answer is strength and weakness existing within the organization, correct. Now we will go ahead. Can be matched with the opportunities and threats in the environment. So answer is D. Okay, question number 24, answer is D. Relationship between organization and environment can be described through exchange of information, exchange of resources, exchange of influence and power. So answer is D, all of the above. Question number 26. According to Peter Drucker, aim of business is to create and retain customers. Correct. Retain customer, create तो करना पड़ेगा ना? गलत. Create and retain consumer, no, customer. Okay. Retain consumer and maximize wealth, no. So answer is for 20. Question number 26 is create and retain customer. Customer who buys the goods. Okay. Consumers who consumes. Okay. So business will interact with customer. Okay. because customer are going to buy. Customer are the one who will pay for the goods. Okay. Question number 27. The non-specific element of the organization surrounding that may affect the activities. Non-specific element of the organization surrounding that may affect. Non-specific customers, suppliers, and employees. These are specific. Supplier, owner, employees specific. Owner, board of directors, and employee. Answer is C. Customer, intermediaries, and suppliers. No. Question number 28. The dash dash environment refers to nature and condition of economic in the company which competes or may compete. The dash environment refers to the nature and direction of the company in which a company competes or may compete. Socioculture, no. Internal, no. Micro, no. It's economic. Okay. So now the this question answer in this module is given C, but if you refer module in economic environment, the same line will reflect. Okay, so answer is D, economic environment. You can refer institute module, this module only, in which you will see they have mentioned it is as a economic environment. Maybe here some typing error or something. So answer is D, economic. Question number 29. Which of the following statement is not factor influencing socio-cultural environment? Family, social or cultural, education, rights, work ethics, etc. This is also socio-cultural opportunities arising out of technological environment. This is technological. Okay, technological. And role of a woman in society position, this is also socio-cultural. So answer is C. Analyzing process of change in business environment involves conceptualizing as complex, static, dynamic, diverse. Analyzing the process of change in the business environment involves conceptualization as there is complex. Okay, complex. Why it is complex? Because business as a whole, environment as a whole, we cannot understand. We have to conceptualize. We have to study it in small parts. Okay. Now question number is 31. The performance of business is in private sector measured by profitability, customer satisfaction, number of employees, and salary of BOD. So answer for question number 31. Any guess? So answer is customer satisfaction. Why customer satisfaction? Because the main purpose of business is to create customer and retain customer. We have seen definition. So question number 31 again. Question number 31. The performance of business in private sector is measured by profitability, customer satisfaction, nature of employees, number of employees, the salary of board of director. The answer is customer satisfaction, because the aim of business is to create and retain customers. Question number 32. In the PEST framework for environmental analysis, what does the letter E stands for? E stands for obviously economic, correct? Question number 32. Yeah. Ecological, no. Ethical, no. Educational, no. Don't get confused reading environmental analysis. Of course, we are doing environmental analysis in which we are studying pestal analysis, which E stands for economic analysis. Okay, environment for business, not this ecological or something. Okay, don't get confused in this. Now question number 33. All are the elements of micro, narrow, micro environment except consumer, narrow, supplier, narrow, competitors, narrow, society. Question. So answer is D. It is broader concept. Okay. All the elements of macro broader except society अभी ऊपर ही किया था. Okay. Government, okay. Technology, okay. So answer is C. Competitor. It is a narrow term. So select the correct statement out of all. Environmental factors are totally beyond the control of single industrial enterprise. No. Largely beyond control of single enterprise. Yes. Are totally within control. No. None of the above. No. So largely, say environment can affect business, business can affect the environment same way. In the response to changes in the environment, organizations in general should understand the impact of changes on the strategy and make appropriate modification, make effort to change and revert back so that organization can function smoothly, ignore the changes, none of the above. Answer is A. Understand the impact of changes on the strategy and make appropriate modification. Read the following three statements. The environment is constantly changing in nature. Correct. Various environment constitute exist in isolation and no. Environment has a far-reaching impact. Correct. So answer is 1 and 3. 1 and 3. So maybe answer for question number 37 is C. Which environment factor regulate the values and beliefs, tradition, customer? So socio-cultural. Answer is D. The term pastel analysis is used to describe the micro, macro. All are broader terms. P for political, environmental, social, technological, legal, environmental. Okay, so answer is D. Here we are done with all the MCQs. Thank you everyone for looking up this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel. Request you to share it to everyone for whom it is fruitful. Thank you very much.